Once upon a time in a dense jungle, there were a lion and a tiger who ruled together as kings. Both were very powerful and would often scare the other animals. Every day, they would catch one animal or another to eat. The animals in the jungle lived in constant fear. Then a rabbit, a monkey, and a fox decided to come together with a plan. The fox said, "I have wit, but that's not enough on its own." The monkey added, "I'm agile. I can quickly run to deliver messages." The rabbit said, "I have a plan, but I'll need your help to carry it out." So, the three of them devised a clever plan. The next day, the rabbit went up to the lion and the tiger and said, "Dear kings, today I saw a very powerful creature. It says it is the true king and wishes to challenge you. If you want, I can take you to it." Hearing this, the lion and tiger became furious. "Who is it? Show us." The rabbit led them to a deep well and said, "It is inside there." Both the lion and the tiger looked into the well and saw their own reflections. Mistaking them for another creature, they roared in anger and jumped in. But alas, they couldn't climb out. With the lion and the tiger stuck in the well, the other animals in the jungle were free from their reign of terror, thanks to the wise rabbit and his plan. The animals in the jungle lived in constant fear.